so much for tuning into my channel. If you have not already, make sure you touch that subscribe button and touch that bell so every time I make a new video you receive notification. So today is going to be a short, sweet video. It's going to be our outfit of the day, and today is Saturday, so I want to do something kind of casual but still really sassy and cute. So today's outfit is going to be a blouse and skinny leg jeans, and I'm going to describe each piece to you all and then show you the final look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you leave down below in the comments. Let me know what you like about the outfit today. And also, you guys, don't forget, I have a Poshmark page and I'm selling items. They're going fast. A lot of the items I wear on my videos, I may wear one time. Sometimes I don't even wear. And I'm cleaning out my closet, so I'm getting rid of a lot of items. So I'm going to definitely link the... put the link down below, so make sure you check out my closet and shop my closet if you like my style. And with no further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you guys, today is like I said, it's Saturday, so I want to be kind of casual, but I still want to be sassy. So today I put on this this green is really it's a dark green, really pretty, a deep green, like a hunter green, really dark. It almost, I mean, it's got a sage to it. It's just rich and really pretty. I don't have a lot of things this color, but I've been trying to add more color to my wardrobe, and I actually already had this blouse and forgot that I had it. But what I like about this blouse is it has a chain that's attached to it. And what's so neat about blouses that already have like detailing like this, you don't even need a necklace. It's like it has a necklace attached to it. So with that being gold up against that green, I decided to bring out the green with the other parts of my outfit. So I love this blouse because it has the open shoulder, which is really in trend right now, really cute. And it has the elastic around the end of the blouse close to my wrist, which I really like because you can kind of just slide it. You can wear it you don't have to wear it all the way down. You can wear it, you can roll it up a little bit and it still be just as cute. And then it has this little keyhole cut in the front, which gives it that extra sassiness, right? So overall, I love this blouse. It's a blousey blouse, so it's a loose fit. And what I did was I put it on with some gold little flower earrings. I wanted to bring the gold out in the chain that's attached to the blouse. So I added these gold flower earrings, and I added some gold costume jewelry. Now, ladies, the good thing about costume jewelry is what? It makes you look pretty fabulous, and it's very inexpensive. You can get it at any retail store. Now, even Walmart has costume jewelry. I get a lot of my costume jewelry from Fashion Metro, Ross, any type of clothing store, or even like a lot of the hair stores like Diana's and Keeds and beauty supply stores. They have a lot of really underpriced, reasonable costume jewelry. Can really make a big difference in your outfit. So this right here I ordered offline, and it's like a chain. It's attached to the to your ring finger and your wrist. So it's like a bracelet and ring in one. I think it's really sassy. And it actually has that color green that's in my blouse. So I decided to put it on today. It's gold, so it's coinciding with my the chain that's attached to my blouse. And then, you guys, I put on some kind of medium to dark denim wash skinny jeans. And I put my blouse in because you remember when I told you about putting your blouse in, it adds a lot of style to your outfit. Okay, so the jeans are kind of like a, like I said, a medium to dark denim. And I put a brown belt on just to bring my waist in a little bit. I put the blouse in, and I'm gonna show you something else I did. These jeans are kind of like got a little bit, kind of a couple of little rips on them to add that extra kind of edginess to it. And then, you guys, I added these fabulous platform. They're kind of like the same color as my belt. It's like a medium brown, not really a dark brown, but like a medium brown color. You know, really cute with denim. You can actually wear this color with black or white now, because it can kind of almost like represent like different shades of nudes. It's just a little bit darker. So browns now, you know, it's like a neutral color, browns and nudes. So you can pretty much put this color shoe with everything. It's really sexy. It straps around the ankle, and it has a really high heel, which you girls know I love. So this outfit right here is just really, really simple and fun. And I always remember what I say about adding a fabulous purse. So I added this brown purse. It's kind of large. It's really, really sporty. And it goes really good with the shoes. And it goes really good with the belt. And it's not the exact color brown, but ladies, it doesn't have to be. As long as it's in the brown category, it doesn't matter if it's lighter, if it's darker, it's still brown. So you don't have to be so matchy-matchy. And a lot of times when you add like dark browns and light browns together, it just adds a lot of extra style to the outfit. Sometimes things are too matchy-matchy. So I hope you guys like this outfit as much as I do. Today's video is, like I said, short and sweet. Outfit of the day. I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. And don't forget to check out my Poshmark page.
Move your hand. You want to go back down?
Yeah, and then I'm going to do it with my hands still.
Okay, yeah, because your hand is just hideous, even with the palm.
How does this look? Let me stay like this. Okay.